Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, let's take a look at the situation on the gold market in general. Gold market confirms our suggestion on the bullish context here, and as we said in our weekly research, it's probably on the coming week we will see the challenge on the 1260 major resistance area. Now it stands on the way, as you can see. So next destination point will be a strong resistance cluster around 1278 area. So those of you who are following with our weekly researchers, you probably know from the analysis of the weekly chart that 1278 is the major weekly resistance. Also, on the daily chart, you can see that 1274 will be weekly pivot, monthly pivot resistance one, so almost 1275. And you could see this extension is around 1280 area. So it's 127 extension of the butterfly. So the area around 1278 is the short-term destination point for the gold market. Is very logical target for the current week. So that's next destination point on the daily chart. Based on oversold overbought analysis, is probably it should not be at overbought, right? So you can see this overbought stands 1278. So when the market will reach this area, so overbought also will move slightly higher. The market has chances to complete this level in the current week. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we could also get this minor butterfly that also leads us to 1275, this 1618 extension, and this target agrees, coincides with the monthly pivot resistance one. On the daily chart, on the hourly chart, guys, actually we've got the answer on our question that we have discussed yesterday. So if you remember, we mostly had the concern about the possible deeper retracement. So although we said the chance not really significant for that, because this very strong upward action, that was completion of our ABCD pattern, completion of the butterfly, some kind of the double repo, maybe you will even find here. That's why we said it's probably hardly that we will get some deeper retracement, but still for some case, if you do not have the bullish position, you better to wait for reversal swing on the hourly chart. And today this has happened. You can see this upward action right now is greater than the previous swing down, and it means that this is the reversal swing to the upside. Right now, this brings more confidence to the possible taking the long position. Those of you who have taken long here at our first place, you probably also have a good position because, as we said, you just need to move to stop to the break even. So right now you can see that there's no hazard to this position. So what we could get in a few hours. First of all, pay attention that here we have this APC bottom pattern and 1618 extension stands above this top. It means this market will hit the 1618 target. These stops will not survive, and stops that have been placed here will be triggered. That also will be a weekly pivot resistance one. And existence of the target above the top is very good bullish sign that suggests the taking out of this top. And in combination of the overall situation that we have on daily chart, this looks very attractive. That's why on the hourly chart you could watch for some minor retracement here if you would like to go long. But currently it's very difficult to say whether the market will turn some retracement before it will reach this level. So if it will do, then in this case you could watch for nearest supports, 1252, maybe even closest support for a taking position. Because currently market stands in the stage where should not happen any deep retracements. So all retracement have happened already. So deep retracement we've got here, that's the extension mode. Market is not at overbought, market is not at some significant resistance, and in fact right now is coming to challenge the 1260 resistance area. That's why any bounce here should be small. That's why I bet to wait for the nearest levels if you would like to go long. So that's our view on the gold market, we think that upward action will continue. First destination that we could get even today will be 1260, 1261. As you can see, we have intraday extensions. This target for the current weeks will be probably area around 1278.